Hi, I'm Trevor Grasby. It's my second year here at Morrisville. I'm studying business. Coming from Canada, hockey is automatically in my blood. You come out of the womb with skates on and you kind of just go from there. I started skating at the age of 4. We have our outdoor rink back at home in our backyard. The stereotype is true that a lot of people play hockey in Canada, and I've just kind of rolled with it all the way to school. With all the amenities they have to offer in terms of the athletic and academic experience, the decision to come to Morrisville was a very easy decision. Academically, the classrooms are small, the teachers are friendly. There's no reason why we can't find success in the classroom and find success in the ice. There's learning aids, there's materials, there's everything you need to be a good student here. It's just up to you to get it done. A 4.0 is the ultimate goal, and it's to keep building and graduate here at Morrisville with a bachelor's degree and as high of a GPA as possible. Athletically, I feel like coming into this hockey program at the time I got to, I don't think there was a better year to do it. I think I caught it right on the way up. And between coaching with our head coach Kevin Krogel and our assistant coach Andrew Viglucci, I think they've both been big catalysts in bringing this program to where they see it getting to. I think what I bring to Morrisville as a Mustang is my ability to just kind of communicate with people and be outgoing. I was lucky enough to be voted as the assistant captain for the team. The captain is James Boisvert. We all look up to him to really drive what we need to do home. The biggest thing that I bring is just leading by example. I think it's a lot easier to practice what you preach, and if that's what you're doing, it's a lot easier for everyone else to follow suit. You also got to be a vocal point in the locker room, on the ice, and make sure if the team's kind of falling off track, you just nudge them back along and bring us to where we're going, and that's a playoff run that we're looking for this year. We've done a really good job, I think, not by we, I mean all of athletes and students here at Morrisville, is supporting each other and making it just a more fun environment. I know that I want to work with people, I want to talk with people, engage with people. In a perfect world, I keep living the dream, keep my skates on. I'll be able to kind of keep my doors open and then narrow down a good fit for my job and my skills after school.